Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue with our Unit 11. Today we're doing lesson number 2. We're going to continue to combine sets using objects, fingers, and number paths today. We're going to focus on our vocabulary words, add and combine, because we're still doing that. And I want you guys to focus on the vocabulary word that we've been working on really, really, really hard, okay? So today we're going to work on combining the sets, and we called it a certain word yesterday. What did we call it? Addition. Good. Everyone say addition. Good. And what does it mean to add? Yes, add means to take two groups and put them together and get the total amount, right? That's why our vocabulary words are combine and add. Everyone say combine and add. Good. So when we focus on these, we're focusing on the word addition, which means to combine and add. Yes, add means to take two groups, so 1 and 2, and put them together and get the total amount. We will eventually learn to add fluently, but that takes a lot of practice. So we are going to learn some ways that can help us add. Wouldn't you know that the tool is right here? Hold up your fingers. Good. We can use our fingers to help us add. Hold up 4 fingers on one hand and 2 on the other hand. Good. Now, I want you guys to combine this and tell me how many we have. How many do you see? Good. 4, 5, and 6. Good. Now, just like if I show you, let's say 3, and then I have 2 over here. 3, 4, 5. Good. That is called counting on because I already have 3. I don't need to count 1, 2, 3 because I know I have 3. I see it. Now here I already see I have 2. All I have to do is combine it, right? To see how many I have together. So I'm going to say 3, 4, and 5. Do I have 5? Yes, I do. So I already see the number, so I'm just going to count on. So here I have 4. Right? I have 4 and Misty has 2 on this hand. I'm going to combine them. I have 4. I'm going to count on. That means I'm going to say 4, 5, 6. I have 6 and I'm going to put them together to combine. Okay? We know also like when you see a filled, let's say right here, we have a filled 5 frame. Everyone say 5. Good. We have 5 frame. Do you need to count each dot or do you just know that there are 5? Yeah, I see 5 dots, so I know I have 5. I don't need to count them because I know. Do you need to count each dot if I didn't tell you how many there were? Maybe if there's a lot, but we see 5, right? And we know what 5 is. So just like if I show you a number 5 and a 5 hand and I have 5 and then I have 1. Do you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Or can you just do 5, 6? Good. So what if I show you, let's say I show you guys a number 5. And then I say a teacher needs to add 1. I'm going to combine my finger with this. How many do I have? Good. I know I have 6 because I already have 5. All I'm doing is doing what? Combining my 1 finger with the 5. Good. So you just know by seeing the number, okay? Continue to hold up let me hold up this card for you. Continuing to hold this card up. How can you count on from that number to, let's say, I want to count 5 plus 3 this time, okay? So I have 5 and I'm going to add 3. So let's practice counting on. Ready? 5. But I'm going to add 3. So I'm going to have 3 fingers here. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So I counted all the way to 8 because that's 3 more. And I'm trying to add 3 or combine my 3 fingers with the 5. Okay? Now, the best way for you guys to do it is you guys can always remember in your brain, put it in your brain that you always look at the number and then you count on. So a fun way that we can do it is looking at this number path that I created for you down here. The number path has 1 all the way to 8 here. And I by putting my little dots on top of the number. So I know that I'm doing, let's say my first number was 4, right? So my first number, and I'm going to write it on my little card. Miss D's card is right here. So she has a number 4. So she goes from 1, and you'll see the little black dot all the way to the 4. So she puts another black dot right there. But she's going to add 2 more fingers to her 4. Okay? So all I have to do is if I see a number line, all I'm going to do is count 2 more. So I'm going to hop 5, and I'm going to go to the 6. Because I know I'm adding how many? 2. I'm going to combine my 2 with my 4. So all I'm going to do is hop 1, 2, 2 numbers. And I'm going to put a little dot right there where my 6 is. Because I know I hopped not 1, but 2. Not 1, but 2. Good. So you can use number lines as one of our many addition strategies. So for 4 and 2, just like I did with you guys here, we have other options of doing it too. And I want you guys to know all of them because they're all very good strategies on what we can do to add. So sometimes I think we've been doing a lot of this is the pictures. Yesterday when we did the candy, we did pictures, right? So for example, here Miss D has 4 suns and she's adding how many? 2 clouds. Good. Here I have fingers. I have 4 fingers and then I'm going to add 2 fingers. I have 6. Good. Count on. So this is our strategy on counting on. Miss D has 4. She needs to add 2 or combine 2 more. So I'm going to say 4, 5, and 6 because I only need 2 more. Good. So I know that combining my numbers will get me what I need. And all I need to do is count on. Count on. Okay? So what I want you guys to do is we're going to do a fun little activity. Everyone should have these little number cards that we've already cut out. These fun little number cards, okay? Everyone should have these. Now, for these cards, you have, you don't have a partner here where we can say elbow partner. So what we're going to do is we're going to work with mommy and we're going to do it together with like a mommy or a daddy or a mamu or someone that's at home with you that can do this fun game with us, okay? So here we go. Let's go ahead and kind of squishle them up. I'm going to kind of make them kind of scrambled so I can pick one. Ready? Here we go. I'm not going to look. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Miss D picked this one. 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 make 2. So if I combine 1 and 1, I have 2. Good. I got 1 point. Okay, now the next person's gonna go. So I'm gonna say, Blake, can you go next? Can you be my partner since I don't have a partner?
Sure.
Okay, he's gonna help us out, guys. So come on over, right over here. Okay, so I need help because we're gonna do a game, and it's called combining our numbers. So when I see the number, we're gonna combine them. Okay. All right, here we go. So we're going to scramble these up so that Blake and I can see who gets the most points. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go first. So Miss D got 8 and 1. So I have 8. I'm going to count on. I only have to count on 1. So 8, 9. My answer is 9. Am I right? Yes. And I was fast. So there goes 1. All right, Blake, you pick yours. He's closing his eyes because he doesn't want to look. Okay.
7 and 2.
7 and 2.
9.
Good. Oh my gosh, it's a tie. All right, Miss D picked 5 and 1. So if I have 5, I'm going to count on 1 more. So I'm going to have 6. Yay. The next one, Blake, go ahead. Your turn.
4 and 2. 6.
Good. Oh my gosh, it's a tie. All right, Miss D picked 5 and 2. So 5, 6, 7. 7. I counted on. So I did 5, and then I thought, oh, there's 2 more. So 5, 6, 7. 7. Yay, me. Blake's turn.
6 and 3. 9.
Whoa, he's way faster than me. All right, so he had a 6 and a 3. It looked like this. Okay, all right. And then this is a tiebreaker. 1 and 1, 2.
Oops.
It's okay.
10 and 0. 10.
Good. Oh, we like tied. You were really good. Good job, partner. All right. Thanks, partner.
Okay, bye.
All right. So he was a great partner. So let's see if your mom or your partner, whoever your partner is at home, let's see if they're as fast as me and Blake. But remember, guys, it's all about counting on. Have fun with your game. And when you guys are done with your game, you guys are going to grab your worksheet that looks something like this, okay? And we're going to do one of them together so you guys kind of know what you're doing, okay? Remember, use your add-in strategies, addition strategies that Miss D's talking to you guys about. Pictures, fingers, counting on, and number path. Use those when needed. We will work with number path a little bit more on Monday. Monday is our lesson on number path. So if you feel like I'm still a little confused, Miss D, I don't know how to use it, we will use it on Monday. Okay, today's focus is using our fingers to add, to count or to count on. You can also do that as well, or just using your fingers because you know how many fingers you have on your hands, okay? All right, so here we go, guys. So first, make sure you put your name on the very top. So Misty, okay? Now, here is a little boy, and he's thinking about a number. What number is he thinking of? 2, good job. The number 2, okay? So for the number 2, I'm going to combine how many more fingers to that number 2? How many fingers are here? Good, 1. So I know I have 2, and I'm only adding 1. So I'm going to have 2 and 1 combine them to make 3. Good. So I'm going to use make sure you use that broken line. Make sure you use that broken line. All right, so here the little boy has a 4 in his mind. So if I have 4 and then I see 3 more fingers adding next to it, I'm going to say 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting on using my fingers. So I have 7. Good. Now here, the little boy has a number 3 in his mind. A number 3. Well, if I have a 3 in my mind and then I see 2 fingers that Miss D wants me to add on, I'm going to say 3 and I'm going to use my fingers to do the next counting on. Ready? Here we go. 3, 4, 5. So now I know I have 5. I want you guys to fill out the rest of the sheet all on your own. When you guys are done, you will take a picture of it and send it to Seesaw. Take a picture and send it to Seesaw. Thank you, boys and girls.